Bad Dog Bart has stolen all the dog and cat toys in the neighborhood, and there's gonna be some really grumpy pets unless the toys are found!
Man, oh man! That sounds terrible, Nature Cat! What can we do?
We might need some big-time help for this.
Hey, I don't know. Do you think this treasure map I just dug up might help?
Yes!
Bad Dog Bart must have left behind a map that shows where his stolen treasure is buried, and 3 different ways to get there!
Ooh! I wonder what we'll see in Colossal Caves!
What about Hidden Falls?
Critter Cavern sounds cool, because I love critters and I love caverns. It's a win-win for me, baby!
Which one should we start with? Hey, remember, when in a cave, we need to keep our voices down. Hal.
Critter Cavern is filled with some of my favorite underground critter pals, but be careful, we don't want to disturb them. Move right by tapping here. Move left by tap and jump by tapping here. Move right and jump by tapping here. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms.
The Ozark blind cavefish can sense movement in the water to help it find food.
My little glowworm friend!
The Bone Cave Harvestman is tiny with long legs and an orange-colored body.
My little glowworm friend!
Alabama cave shrimp spend their entire life in pools of water deep in the darkest parts of caves.
How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms. False scorpions are tiny scorpion lookalikes, but they do not have the sharp sting of a real scorpion's tail.
Like many other cave animals, Tumbling Creek cave snails are also blind.
And check out all the glowworms we collected along the way.
Hey, I really want to take pictures of my cave.
West, north, east, south. Looks like you need to find the cave beetle. Just head in the direction that the compass indicates. Tap one of the lit squares. Whoopsie, that's the wrong direction. Look at the compass and try another direction. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave beetle. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave crayfish. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you. Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need to find Daisy, go east. Daisy, go. Daisy, go east. Looks like we found the cave shrimp. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find Daisy, go north. Daisy, go. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the creek cave snail. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you Daisy, go. Daisy, go. Daisy, go. Daisy, go. Daisy, go south. Looks like we found the little brown bat. Hey, we figured this compass thing out. Yay, you! Let's find another critter for my photo album. Looks like you need Daisy, go, Daisy, go, Daisy, go, north. Looks like we found the false scorpion.
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Colossal Caves is amazing, but be careful. The stalactites on the ceiling and the stalagmites on the ground can break easily, so no touching! Move right by tapping here. Move left by and jump by tap. Move right and jump by tap. My little glowworm friend! My little glowworm friend! Ouch! That's a lot harder than it looks. Didn't see that. Didn't see that one. My little glowworm friend. I really gotta watch where I'm going. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms. Congratulations, Cave Hunter! We made it through the tunnel in time.
Here's a cool tool. Kinda looks like a paintbrush, and we can use it to brush away the dirt ever so slightly to uncover these really neat fossils.
Okay, first we'll show you a picture, and then you need to start brushing the wall to uncover where the matching fossil is hidden. There may be more than one fossil, but only one that matches the fossil you're looking for. Happy hunting! Hey, come on, fellow cave hunter! I need big-time help! The next fossil you need to find is...
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a trilobite. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find is an ammonite.
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found an ammonite. There's no stopping you. Can you do it again? The next fossil you need to find is a brachiopod.
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a brachiopod. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find...
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fern. Man, oh man, you're getting good at this. Here's another one. The next fossil you need to...
Don't drop me.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a fish. Let's try to find another one. The next fossil you need to find...
Hey, that tickles.
Sweet job! Looks like you found a shark's tooth. That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the...
Hidden Falls has lots of underground streams and waterfalls. Did you know many caves are formed by water? But you know how I feel about water, so let's do everything we can to stay dry. We don't have move right by tapping here. Move left by and jump by move right and jump. How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! My little glowworm friend! I wish I had avoided that. How I love collecting glowworms. How I love collecting glowworms. My little glowworm friend! I wish I had avoided that. That water is really wet. That water is really wet. How I love collecting glowworms. I wish I had avoided that. My little glowworm friend! And check out all the glowworms we collected along the way!
I love flashlights because they're so flashy and so lighty and all at the same time.
We need to find a helmet. Looks like we found a helmet. Let's do it again. We need to find a backpack. Looks like we found a backpack. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a hiking boot. Looks like we found a hiking boot. Oh yeah, man, you figured out this flashlight thing. Here's another one. We need to find a canteen. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a canteen. Let's try to find another one. We need to find a first aid kit. Nothing over here. Let's look somewhere else. Looks like we found a first aid kit. Looks like you could cave hunt all day long. We need to find a notebook. Looks like we found a notebook.
That vault door needs 3 special keys. We just earned one, so put it in the right place.
Great work! All the special keys are in place. Now all we need to do is turn the handle.
Open sesame! I smell toys.
Oh no! There goes that really bad dog Bart! We missed him again!
But we got the toys back.
And look at our glowworm dance party. This makes me want to go back and collect more glowworms.
These glowworms really can bust a move. Makes me want to join them.
Me too. Yay! Sweet!
Yippee! Let's shake it, baby!
Me too! Yay!
Let's dance!